When it comes to versatility, there's no vehicle like the Subaru Forester. It has it all: performance, reliability, economy and function. Subaru's engineering and track record are exceptional. These are the words that are written in 2004 when Subaru's latest offering at the time. The Subaru Forester 2.5 XT had just been unleashed. Of course, we now have the 2017 Subaru Forester. A blocky compact crossover with extra sleek redesigned grille, front fascia, headlights, and LED highlighted taillights. It also boasts modern technology, including the optional EyeSight safety camera system, automatic high beams headlights, and reverse automatic braking in case of imminent collision. So why are we talking 2004 when we have 2017, that is second generation, from 2002 to 2008, models versus fourth generation, from 2012 to present? The reality is that in spite of the talk of Ugandans buying more cars, we are driving mainly by far older cars than before, and the most common Subaru Forester models are second generation. Fortunately, Subaru has some standard features that change only slightly in all the numerous tweaking. So the 2017 model boasts rear spoiler, optional power rear liftgate, an updated heated steering wheel and steering ratio, and intelligent drive mode selector. But the rest is standard Subaru wear, that is comfortable ride, elevated seating position, and all-wheel drive. These are the things that make the Subaru Forester the most popular crossover, voted Best Compact SUV 2014, 2016 in Japan, and globally. Subaru Forester is extremely popular because of its superior traction. Subaru Foresters have never been eye-catching and are virtually unnoticeable when parked alongside a mid-size SUV like the Honda CR-V, but it is the details, functions, and possibilities in the Subaru that matter in Explorer. It appears small because it is boxy and, therefore, uses space efficiently. The Forester is large enough to carry the whole family comfortably, but compact enough to pass for a small car when it's necessary. There's nothing like having confidence in the vehicle you are driving. Forester inspires driver confidence because of Subaru's permanent AWD system. Its X mode is helpful when driving off-road. Foresters boast suspensions that are rugged enough to handle the tough stuff, but easily smooth out bumps in highway drives. The seating position is high despite the fact that the Forester isn't a tall vehicle. Rear seat passengers get good head and leg room. The Forester has great cargo capacity for its size. The Subaru brand is known globally for its superior safety ratings. The latest EyeSight driver assist safety system is an optional safety system on the 2016 Forester SUV. The Forester is built at the Gunma factory in Japan, which is known for brand quality. It has been voted the best compact SUV over the years because of its size, capability, ride quality, safety, and quality construction. The Forester invented this semi-SUV in 1998, before the word crossover was coined. Over the years, the Forester line has offered reliability, fuel efficiency, cargo room, safety, and its time-tested all-wheel drive system. On the road, the Forester offers excellent handling and brakes. It's a better vehicle on treacherous roads than an SUV.
Tesla has again expanded the range of Model 3 configuration and order availability to more reservation holders this week. If you have a reservation, you might want to check your Tesla account since the company is not always sending out invitations anymore. Tesla started opening the online configurator to regular Model 3 reservation holders in California in November and started deliveries in December. During the first week of 2018, Tesla expanded invites to several more states like New York, New Jersey, Maryland, Massachusetts, and Illinois. They started deliveries on the East Coast this week, and invitations to configure the Model 3 seem to have reached first-day reservation holders around the entire country, as long as they are also current Tesla owners. Over the past 2 days, Tesla has reports of Model 3 reservation holders who reserved after the first day, and they are now able to configure their vehicles. With this said, it appears to still be limited to current Tesla owners. Interestingly, several Model 3 reservation holders who can now configure and order their vehicles are reporting that they never actually receive an invite from Tesla. They simply opened their Tesla account and found that they have access to the configurator, which was updated last week.
The Tesla Model 3 has been one of the most hyped cars in recent history, and as consumers finally get their hands on the wheel, the reviews have started pouring in. Like most of Tesla's efforts, the car is a hit, packing in impressive horsepower and acceleration times at a middle-class market price. Though it has already been hailed as the first good-looking, fast electric car, but the Tesla does have a few drawbacks. For most customers, it's much more expensive than the widely advertised $35,000, due to premiums and incentives. There are also hidden costs like the installation of a charging port in your garage, which could add thousands of dollars. For those reasons, there's already a serious contender in the race for a more accessible electric vehicle. The 2018 Nissan Leaf, a no-nonsense electric hatchback, already has seen 13,000 pre-orders filed in anticipation, and it's getting rave reviews thanks to an impressive 225-mile range. Social would rather drive the Leaf than the Model 3, with Nissan's positive meter hitting 78% versus Tesla's 41%.
Subaru has just released some of the most pointless and yet adorable car commercials of all time. You're about to see a dog crash a car while learning to park. The brand continues its love affair with four-legged friends with a series of custom commercials dedicated to the new Ascent 3-row SUV, as well as the XV and Impreza. It's already been 5 years since the Barkleys became the official spokes dogs of Subaru. Thus, the Impreza-making brand is cementing itself as the dog-friendly car company in America. 4 all-new dog-tested, dog-approved advertising spots show the family of Labradors and Golden Retrievers take on everything from novice driving lessons to the first day of school and a car wash run by dogs. The national TV ads were created by Carmichael Lynch on and aired during the 24th Annual Screen Actors Guild (SAG) Awards, sponsored by Subaru. The all-new 2019 Ascent was also featured on the red carpet. Alan Bathk, Senior Vice President, Marketing at Subaru of America said, "With more than half of Subaru drivers having pets, we believe it is important to celebrate the love of pets shared by our owners. Pets are considered members of our Subaru family, and utilizing the Barkleys in our campaigns allows us to connect with our customers in an authentic, fun, and entertaining way. In Car Wash, the dog family needs to get their muddy Ascent cleaned off. The crew there isn't really up to the task at hand, but it's cute to see them try. Drop-off is all about realizing your kids are growing up, while driving lesson is for the parents who know how difficult parallel parking lessons can be. And finally, Drive Away is all about those pranks."
The waiting game is almost over for Texans who plopped down their $1,000 deposits to reserve a Tesla Model 3, which is billed as an affordable version of the all-electric luxury vehicle. Tesla has repeatedly pushed back its delivery of the vehicles, as production at the Fremont, California assembly plant has moved much slower than expected. Many deposit-paying customers have been waiting for their cars for more than a year. However, anyone who wants to take a peek at this vehicle, which has been widely praised, are encouraged to stop by Tesla's showroom Friday in South Lake. There, a display version of the Model 3 will be available most of the day for anyone who wants to sit in it and kick the tires. Doors open at 10 a.m. The Tesla showroom at 257 Grand Avenue in South Lake. The Model 3 doesn't have all the frills of Tesla's other models, some of which top $100,000. But, with a base price of $35,000, the Model 3 does have many snazzy features, including the company's trademark touchscreen dash display, high visibility through the windshield and all windows, and a driving range of 310 miles between battery charges. Nationwide, more than 450,000 orders for the Model 3 have been received, company officials say. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk says the company's new goal is to deliver to its customers 2,500 vehicles per month by March, and about 5,000 per month by June. The company has built these cars slower than originally projected, as some unexpected difficulties in production have been worked out.